Hold on to your snorkels. We're about to explore the fascinating world of starfish. Meet the starfish, nature's superstar of the sea. With its iconic star-shaped body and typically 5 or more arms, it's built for survival. Those arms, also called rays, can bend and move independently, giving the starfish its unique flexibility. Look underneath, and you'll find tube feet with suction cups. These help it move, capture prey, and hold on tight to surfaces. At the center is the central disc, from which the arms radiate. Starfish have tiny pincer-like pedicellariae to keep their skin clean and fend off parasites. Their endoskeleton, made of calcium carbonate, provides sturdy support, just like our bones do. And guess what? If a starfish loses an arm, it can regenerate a new one. Some can even grow a whole new starfish from a single arm and part of the central disc. With spines for defense and eye spots for sensing light, starfish are perfectly equipped for ocean life. So next time you spot a starfish, remember, there's more to it than meets the eye.